If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from, and in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo maka the book Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyichukwu aka Ezeanumba the First. Metal of there is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya,
or pick it up at Jolson Bookshop, Book to the Nation, 8 Uguta Road, opposite DMGS on the shop. Call 080-3338-2643 or 080-3791-7242.
Go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyichukwu aka. For further information on how to get this book, please call 080-3916-7049 or you WhatsApp 080-6579-6599.